My name is Jani Roy. I am from class 9 and we are representing School of Scholars, Athare Layout Nagpur. For this competition, our project model is Blind Blind.
We use ultrasonic sensor, battery, Uno, Arduino Uno, and buzzers.
We are going to blind band for a blind person instead of a blind student. Now I will show you how this blind band works. Suppose he is a blind person. It can say any obstacle coming in his